Welcome back again, and this video I'm going to talk about the Manjistha. Manjistha is a magical herb to treat acne or pimples as well as acne scar, blemishes and freckles. So I made a whole series of 7 videos about how to cure acne very effectively in very simple way and easily available drug, yet very potent or very effective. So this is the first video, and in this video I am going to talk about the Manjistha, how to use it externally as well as internally, and what are the property, how it works. So let's get stay with us. By the way, I am Dr. Vandana Saraf, MD Ayurved in Medicine Department, Associate Professor in Government Dhanvantri Ayurved College Ujjain, and Ayurvedic Dermatologist. So let's get started. First talk about the property of Ayurveda. It has a 5 property. First one is Varna, means it increase the skin complexion. Second one is Rakta Shodhak. It is a very good blood purifier. Third one, it is a Kramigna. Kramigna means antibacterial or antimicrobial activity or property. Fourth one is Vishagna, antitoxins property. And last one, it is a Rasayan, means anti-aging, or you can say rejuvenative property. And if you want to know about the modern aspect, then it has 4 property, and they all are proven by so many scientific research paper. If you want to study these research paper, I can put the link below in the description box, so you can easily download or read it. It has 4 property according to modern. It has a anti-inflammatory property, it has a antimicrobial or antibacterial property. Third one, it has a anti-androgenic effect, it has a antioxidant property. So in that way it is very potent. And what makes it wonderful, I am going to describe just after giving the information about its uses. So how to use Manjistha externally? It's very easy to use externally. I'm going to give you 2 ways. One way is to apply single herb. Take very finely crushed 5 gram of Manjistha powder, mix it with honey, 5 gram of honey, or you can also use rose water or plain water. Mix it and make a paste and apply just over the pimple or all over the face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it with lukewarm water. You can do it 2 to 3 times in a week. It is enough to apply, and definitely you will get the result instantly, because it has a anti-inflammatory property, it has a antibacterial, antimicrobial property, so it can reduce the inflammation and bacterial activity immediately, and you will get the result after 15 to 20 minutes. You will see your pimples get reduce the inflammation or reduce the redness. So in that way you can all use it. And the second one is face pack. You can add 4 drug in it. First one is dried orange peel, second one is sandal powder, third one is turmeric, and fourth one is Manjistha. Each all 4 drug in equal amount, and mix it well, and take 1 teaspoon and mix it with honey or rose water or simple water. But in text we are prescribing mix it with honey, because honey is also very good. It has an antibacterial, antimicrobial property also, so it enhances the property of Manjistha. So you can it is best to apply with honey. So in that way you can also apply just directly on the spot of pimple, or you can apply all over the face and do the same process which I told you. So this is the application. Internally you can also take it in 3 form. First one is simple plain powder, fine powder. You can take 5 gram of powder, mix it with honey, take it with lukewarm water after meal 1 or 2 times a day for 30 or 45 days. It is enough to recover from your acne. Second form is you can also take it as a capsule form, 1 capsule BD after meal with lukewarm water or simple water for 15 or 30 days. And last one, you can also make its tea as a simple make tea, and you can use it once in a day or twice in a day, and you make this tea just like a decoction. And how to make it: take 1 cup of water or 2 cup of water and add half teaspoon, like 2 to 3 grams of Manjista powder, boiled it and strain it, and just take it lukewarm just after your breakfast or lunch, 2 times or 1 times in a day. And how it works: it has so many extract. Manjistha, or its botanical name is Rubia cardifolia, and its methanol extract and chloroform extract works as a antibacterial, and it will effective on gram positive as well as gram negative strain of bacteria. And it also has a astringent property. Astringent means it contracts the pores, or it reduces the activity of open pores. And the next property is it has a anti-inflammatory property. Its aqueous extract Rubia malin works as an anti-inflammatory. It has a Rubia cardone. It's a kind of ingredient. It works as a antimicrobial activity. And it has a Rubia malin. It works as a antioxidant property. So it can reduce the free radicals damage. In that way, it is very potent medicine or herb. It also has anti-androgenic effect. What is anti-androgenic effect? Androgen is a male hormone. Sometime it increases it up to its normal value. So we have to reduce this, because in excess form it can create the PCOS or PCOD in females, polycystic ovary syndrome. In that case, excess production of sebum can cause the acne and periods delay, excess hair on chin and other areas of face. So and also weight gain. So in that kind of cases, it also very helpful because of its anti-androgenic effect. So in that way, it is very potent medicine. I hope this information will help you, and definitely if you use this medicine regularly, you will definitely cure or get rid from your acne, and you will also get a very good skin complexion and reduce the blemishes and freckles. And if you take it internally, it is best, because your blood also get pure by taking this medicine. So this is the best medicine. You can use it very safely and effectively. If you like this video, and if you think this is a useful video, then please give the thumbs up, and share it with needy persons, so it is available to maximum community. And also, if you have any question, then write it down in comment box. I will give you the answer. I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned with us. Thank you and good night.